friends, welcome to another episode of RNN blog. Today my wife will be showing you a chicken recipe. It's Methi Malai Murgh. It's a true North Indian delight. So just watch the video till end, and if you like this video, do subscribe to our channel. We'll be showing you the ingredients, the preparation of the process, as well as how it looks. Obviously I cannot show you how it tastes, but watch the video till the end, and if it really excites you, do subscribe our channel. Like, comment. Your comment will help us to improve better. So now handing over to my wife, who will be guiding you to the rest of the process.
Hi friends, welcome to R&N blog. Today I will be showing one of the chicken side dish, that is chicken Methi Malai Murgh. For this I am showing you the marination. So I have taken 500 grams of chicken with bone pieces, and with this I am adding 5 to 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Goes 1 to 2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of red chili powder, and some oil, 1 tablespoon of oil. After mixing it well, I am adding the dry roasted kasuri methi powder. Again mixing it and cling wrapping it for 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. So friends, we are back after 1 hour. I have heated some oil in karai, 2 to 3 tablespoons, and there I am adding gota garam masala. 2 elaichi, 1 stick of darchini, and 4 to 5 clove. Let it crackle. And I'm adding 3 medium-sized onions. And frying it till light golden brown. As the onions are turned light golden brown, I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. And some green chili chopped. Now I'm frying it with the raw smell goes. I have already added 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I am adding 1 bunch of fenugreek leaves finely chopped. And frying it with it. As the fenugreek leaves have been shrinked, after stirring it for 2 to 3 minutes, now I am adding the marinated chicken. Start frying it for 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see friends, the chicken has released some water, but we will slightly add some lukewarm water into it, very little. And leave it for 10 to 15 minutes till tender. So after 15 minutes, as you can see, the chicken has turned tender, soft, and we are adding some kasuri methi leaves crushed in our hands. By doing so, the fragrance of the kasuri methi comes out very well. And stirring it, and adding some fresh cream, 2 tablespoons. suggest malai, so I've added this fresh cream and stirring a little bit and cooking it for another 1 to 2 minutes, and then I will serve it. So friends, the dish is ready to serve. I have garnished it with some fresh cream. And so if you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.